Hey there, my name is Mike Chang and I'm the creator and owner of Collab Designs. We're your go-to source for all things interior design and real estate. After graduating with a degree in interior design, I spent several years designing luxury boutique hotels and resorts around the world. My career then transitioned into designing high-end apartment towers throughout Texas. About 6 years ago, after a brief stint in grad school and a career burnout, I took a leap of faith and decided to start up Collab Designs. We are a small, boutique interior design and real estate studio based in Dallas and Seattle. As a result of our training in hospitality and multifamily, we take a very hands-on approach to helping our clients. Throughout the years, we have worked with many clients who are regular viewers of different home improvement shows. Subsequently, we've noticed that there is a big disconnect between what is shown in a 30-minute TV episode in relation to the full design and construction process. This is where the idea for Debriefing Design began. We wanted to show consumers a different point of view so they could see the design process through the eyes of a design professional. In this series, we'll show you behind the scenes of the typical process that occurs for the glamorous before and after transformation photos you see around the internet. We'll also give you some tips and insight into getting the best design solutions for your budget. I hope you'll find this series to be educational and enlightening. Our format is a new episode here every first Tuesday of the month, followed by a podcast responding to your questions and feedback every third Tuesday. I look forward to interacting with you and welcome to Debriefing Design. Be sure to subscribe for updates on upcoming content and check the links below for our social media.